Juliber update ng pickleball day nila Julian San Jose at Rayber Cruz. Ayan yung bonding nila. Saka ito pa yung abang sa Juliber.
Hey guys, Julian here. I'm inviting you all. This June 21, I'm performing at the FDG Cup at Opus Mall. And it's the biggest one yet. So FDG Cup is celebrating 20 years. So come and watch the badminton matches. Thank you, Secretary Frederick Goff, for having me. This is going to be so much fun. Don't forget, June 21 at the Opus Mall. See you there.
Yun o, abangan. Sa ito naman ay story ni Rayber. Ayan, Belo Day niya. So kayo makastig yung gitara. At nag-tiktok pa nga siya. King of the dance floor. Rayber Cruz. Grabe si Rayber eh. Minamali lang ang pagsayaw eh. Yung big movement pa nga. Ayan pa nga sila oh. Yung hataw sumayaw si Rayber oh. Solid yan po oh. Yun oh. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is with Jordan Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.